calm her down. No, she's throwing princesses all over the town. Oh no, keep dancing.
Baby's upset because it's nap time. We're going to the beach, but we're gonna get to the beach soon and she's gonna nurse and fall asleep. She just doesn't know it yet. And if you're wondering, Mommy got sick too.
Daddy's he's at the tail end of it. Feel much better. I think she's at the tail end of it too.
And I'm kind of right in the middle.
You kind of got like a day or two left of it.
But I'm still trucking.
Real life sometimes means we listen to Adam Sandler and Elmo singing 17 times within an hour.
Do you have to yell at
people
me?
might need to know that. Well, let's see, what else? I got Star Wars The Force Awakens on DVD. It came in the mail. I can't wait to watch it.
Stop looking at me like that.
We're gonna make a brown duck. Oh, ring ding 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 ding. Ring ding 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 dong.
Apologize for the lack of vlogs. I feel like I say that all the time, but especially when we have a sick family. Thankfully we're healthy a lot of the time, but this past week and a half we've all had the flu, as you well know. Okay, I'm gonna go because nobody else is going. I'm out running errands. I had to take my fenugreek bar to go. Fenugreek helps with your milk production. I don't remember exactly the name, but I'll leave it in the description down below. But they make fenugreek bars. This one is a gluten-free and a vegan gluten-free bar, and it's just a bar. But they have non-vegan also. Anyway, they make teas, also milk teas for milk production, so I recommend them. I've always taken fenugreek seed pill, but once I started these, I noticed my milk production really like amped up, and I had a clogged milk duct last night, and that is not fun. It was so painful to touch, and they say that you have to massage it, but I had to have Jonah massage it because I wouldn't have done it hard enough, you know what I'm saying? I just found out that